This is the Iron Trader. It's about 5:16 p.m. where I am. The pit's closed at 2:30. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, if you've been watching my videos, then you always know that I've been pointing out these key SMAs. Well, look at here. 21 SMA here. Yeah, it went higher, okay, but you could not close above. That is the key. However, that being said, we still have a bull flag going here, okay, here on the daily, and you still have a bear flag going here on the weekly. So we got to see which one is going to play out. Now, if this rockets up, well, then that negates this bear flag pattern. If this rockets down, then that confirms that bear pattern, okay? So let's just look here on the upside. So what you want to do is look at that 21-day, 87.74. It needs to close over. If it does, then we come to the top of this candle here, 88.33, and then the top of today's candle, 88.57. Okay, then what we do is we look at this candle here. You're looking at 89.59 here. You have 90.27. We look here, we have 91.88. Always look here to the left, 92.43, 94.17, and your big retest, 95.03. All this don't mean dick unless you can close above this key 21 SMA. That is very, very key. So now let's look at the downside. Well, we got the 8 SMA here, 86.09, and then right below it, we have your 50-day here sitting at 85.69. Now, again, if that's lost here, well, then what we do is we follow the candles right on down here. So you're looking at 85.12. You have 84.67. We come here. You have 83.35, 83.11. You have 82.31. And then your big retest here, 81.50. Now we're sitting basically in the center here of the price channels here. Now, 81.50 is lost here. Well, we just look over at 21, 80.48, 79.84 is your Hondo. Come over here, 78.30. And then your big boy, 77.86 on your 200-day. So we're going to see what happens when this future's open here at 6 o'clock here. Is this 8-day going to keep on pushing up here, take the price up, or is it going to come and collapse below here and then have that 8-day roll over again here, and just like it did here, roll over, and then your price goes below it. So we got to just see how this all shakes out. Now remember, you've got a pretty good sized premium, war premium going on here. So what's going on in the Middle East? So you could go $5, $10 here, anywhere in that range, very easily lower if they get this thing settled. If you have more chaos, then, well, 95.03 is going to be your target there, okay? So just a quick review. Watch this key 21 SMA. Very, very crucial, especially now here, as this is rolling over and your 8-day is coming up here, we got to see which one's going to win out here and take the price either up or is going to slam it right on down, and that 8 will roll over, okay? So watch the 21, the 8, and that key 50. If that 50 is lost, there's your target, 81.50. If you can close solidly above this 21 SMA here, well, there's your target right there. Very, very simple. Now, here on your weekly chart, always look at the 8-day. You're looking at 87.91. Right now, we're below it. And then on the support level here, you have your Hondo at 86.26. Now, let's just look at your RSI here, okay? Well, your RSI here kind of just flattening out. It was trying to rip up here, but just kind of flattening out here. Kind of doesn't really know what to do here. Same way with this here, okay? Your MACD here, well, you're going to try to get a bullish cross, but again, they're about to kiss right here, but we got to see if it's going to roll over or it's going to break up like this and then send the price higher, okay? So basically, just take a day at a time, check it out here, okay? Don't be afraid to go long. Don't be afraid to go short. Just scalp it, trade the charts, and you will make money. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right, natty gas, your daily and your weekly chart. All right, here's what we have here, okay? Let's just big it up a little bit. Well, you know, you put in a higher low and a higher high. It looked like she was going to rip up, but it just didn't here, because you look at the top of this candle here, you're looking at 3.158. We look at the bottom of this candle, 3.16. Okay, boom. There's your resistance. Very simple. Okay, if it went higher, then we looked at the top of this candle here, 3.20. Okay, but it didn't. Okay, it went right there. Okay, so what we have to look here, let's look at the downside first. So what you want to do here is look at this 21. This is going to be key. 3.016. If that is lost here, then we follow this candle right on down here. You got 2.965. You have 2.93. This is the candle that you're really concerned about. This is that 2.82. There's your gap. Top of this candle here, 2.66. There's your fill. Gap, fill. Okay, in the center here, you got 2.81 here. This is all depending here if you lose that 21 SMA. Upside, well, we want to look here. Okay, so you're looking at 3.137, and then we look at today's high, 3.156, and then we look at this candle right here, 3.185. There's your gap. Bottom of this candle, 3.203. There's your fill, and then there's your 8 SMA here, which is rolling over nicely. But that doesn't mean that it can't push right back up again here. It's just that right there, that is going to become resistance. So if this does go into there, what I always do is take some off the table there, unless you can close above that key level. Again, if you can get above here, well, we just look at this candle here. You look at the low basically 3.3, and then we have 3.348, and then 3.42, 3.45, and you retest up there 3.37. Now in the weekly, this is going to be a key resistance, 3.157. Very, very key resistance. Where to go today? 3.158. Okay, so you can always look to the left of the chart here. See? Okay, look at the bottom of the candle. Look at the top of the candle. Today's right there, 3.166. Where's that 50 SMA here? 3.15. Stop that bad boy right in its tracks. Okay, just like that. So always watch that 50-day. If it goes lower, watch this 8 SMA, 2.90, and watch your 21-day. Now, here on the RSI, well, this still is looking good. You got plenty of room to run to the upside, downside. You just kind of like a medium here. I don't like what happened on the MACD here. See how the green crossed the red? Doesn't mean it can't curl back up. But right now, this is really a nice short all the way on down here. And really some good scalping here. I mean, today was a really good scalp here on the, like I scalped the UNG there. Got another 20 cents out of that. Again, today, 20,000 shares. Okay, good day. All right. So just kind of watch this here. This 21, that's going to be key. If that is lost here, follow these candles down here, and maybe even the 50-day you could get to. On the upside, watch the top of these candles, and then watch that key 8 SMA. All right, I'll have more for you tomorrow before 8 o'clock on the Yo Crude Ski and Natty Gas. And thanks for watching.